What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to the Keys for the very first time. So I'm going with my friend Diego, but I need to go pick him up from the airport first, and I'm picking him up a day before we leave. So we're gonna go spend the night in Boca Raton with my friend Emily. I haven't seen her in a while, so it'll be nice to catch up and see her. And then in the morning, we're gonna go watch the sunrise, and then we'll be on our way. So excited! Let's go. What's up? I just got to Boca Raton to visit my friend Emily. So we just got to the Fort Lauderdale airport and we're picking up Diego. What's up? So me and Diego, we're at Emily's house right now and we're about to go to bed and then wake up tomorrow morning at 5:30 or 5:40 and go watch the sunrise tomorrow morning in Boca Raton. So let's see if that actually happens. If we wake up in 4 hours.
We did it!
We're about to leave to go watch the sunrise, and Emily's family, they own 2 tortoises and they are massive. You'll pick it up.
Oh my goodness, it's all headers out today.
This is massive, isn't he? Bye, Emily.
Bye.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you. She can't make the breakfast anymore.
I know, I gotta go home. But I'm gonna see them later, so it's
Yes,
okay.
you better come down later on and see us. So.
Yes, I will.
Okay.
But hi guys, nice meeting you.
Bye.
Alright, bye. Bye guys.
So we just arrived. We're going into a t-shirt shop to hopefully get 4 t-shirts for $10. Pretty good, how are you? So we decided that we're gonna go to Harry's Beach, just a couple more miles up the road, but we're stopping at a couple more shops first. And we'll see where it leads from there, I guess. And we're trying to find a place that we can go snorkeling at. We just like hop in there and go snorkeling. Okay, so we just pulled off to the side of the road because we've been trying to find a place to go snorkel at, but we can't find like a good place. But we just found a spot, I guess you would call it. We were thinking about if you just hop in right there and then just swim out a little. Maybe. I hope this isn't dangerous. I'm like low-key scared.
Who's scared for it?
Oh no.
Gators in these water.
Okay, it is cold. Woo! I'm very salty. Like, what are they fishing for?
Well, they're not shark rods, so I can tell you that.
Like, what makes them want to fish out here where we're gonna be snorkeling at? Should we just like full send, like just... I'm like only scared about this murky part, like because I don't like what you can't see.
We just snorkeled for like 15 minutes.
It was more like 4 seconds, but
It's very windy out, and the current's kind of fast, so the water's all murky. You couldn't see anything. Temperature-wise, the water feels amazing.
it does. Look how blue it is. It's like
Little chilly at first.
crystal blue.
but
I'm so glad that we found this spot. Because if we weren't able to find this little spot, like I don't think we would have been able to like actually get in the water at the beach. That was definitely a 10 out of 10 experience. Wouldn't you say?
That was awesome.
That was amazing. So we just got here at Robbie's. What's it? Robbie's. What?
Just Robbie's.
Oh, just Robbie's.
Just Robbie's.
So we got here to Robbie's and we're gonna feed some tarpon. Apparently you buy a bucket and you just feed them by hand or something like that.
By hand, yeah.
Something crazy along the lines of that.
Let's hope they're hungry. Let's hope they haven't been overfed today.
Yeah, pick them up. They're gonna get your shit. Yeah.
Dang, they're aggressive. Get out of here. I don't think I've ever been this close to a pelican. What's up, dude? Holy cow.
Yeah, dude. It is.
Wait, what the heck?
Oh, here's how you do it.
Wait, how do you do it?
You put your hand in there. Like this.
Wait. Holy cow. Yeah. What the heck? Am I not gonna like lose a hand after doing this?
No, don't. Just hold it like a man.
I got scared. I'm like,
Just hold it normal. Just don't let go. They won't bite your hand.
Diego decided he's gonna stick his head through the little hole so he can feed it with his mouth. All right.
You are crazy.
Oh, damn. You just grabbed it?
Yeah. Put your hand in there. Put your hand in there. Yeah. And don't move. Don't move.
Oh, that's so scary. We paid a good $4 for this bucket. We ain't gonna let these little pelicans get him. We didn't pay to feed you guys.
You can't even look at them.
Okay. I'm so scared. There you go. Got it. I bet if you just hold his beak shut. Stop. He's so calm. Oh my god. Wait, now I want to do it.
Head on the bell.
Okay, so we just fed the tarpon and Diego just held a pelican. And that was actually really cool. I was not expecting that. I say for us not having a plan today, literally this morning we woke up and we're like, okay, what are we doing? And
Like,
we had no idea.
I think it's been pretty successful.
So we decided to make one quick little stop. We stopped here to see the sunsets. And it literally falls perfectly in between those two little, I guess, islands.
The sunset. There you go. Look at that. In the background of this audio, you're gonna hear a bunch of chickens. Chickens.
As I thought we couldn't top Key Largo anymore. Cop into the sunset. It went down. That was amazing. What an even better way to top off Key Largo. When I thought we topped it off at feeding tarpon.